This airport is developing a gateway that will alter Ethiopia's place in global aviation and drive the country's economic scale to new heights forever. Here's one of Africa's most impressive infrastructure projects: the new Addis Ababa International Airport. Imagine this airport has a strong launch pad built to propel Ethiopia into the forefront of air travel with its strategic position and unique architecture. Now, let's examine every construction masterpiece and technical detail of this incredible initiative, which aims to elevate Ethiopia to a vital hub in one of the world's fastest growing air transport markets. This airport facility, designed by Dar al-Handasa and the legendary Zaha Hadid architects, serves as much more than just an airport or launch pad. It is more like a high-powered engine or progressive project in Ethiopia's economic growth and increasing global connectedness, which is much needed. This initiative is also about improving travel and tour quality. Not to forget, this $6 billion investment can put Ethiopia at the center of global aviation routes, paving the way for its ascent in international commerce and business. But how so? Having expanded its reach to over 150 destinations worldwide and tripled its presence over the past decade, the airline is on a trajectory to continue its impressive growth with this one. This new airport isn't just a facility. It's the launch pad for Ethiopian Airlines' ambitious 15-year strategic plan. The goal? To send Ethiopian Airlines from a major African player to one of the most competitive global aviation brands. The new airport at Abusera, just south of Addis Ababa, is a work of art that cost a whopping $6 billion to the airlines. The question here is if all that investment is really worth it. In its first phase, this tremendous facility will handle an amazing number of 60 million passengers annually. But the vision doesn't stop there. As future phases unfold, the airport's capacity is actually aimed to cater to an incredible 110 million passengers each year. To put that into perspective, this airport in Abusera will not only become the largest airport in Africa, but also a major player on the global stage. And who knows, it might soon become one of the world's largest airports with the largest passenger capacity as well. Moreover, the airport is strategically positioned at the intersection of Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, a crucial hub in the world's rapidly expanding network of air travel. So we have so much coming our way from the airport. Once completed, this new airport will be a tribute to contemporary engineering and architecture. Its 4 spacious runways and emergency-proof construction make it easier to handle the rising demands with time. The airport's advantageous position at a lower altitude than the existing Bole International Airport is another amazing feature setting it apart from the rest. This height advantage allows planes to take off more efficiently, leveraging Ethiopian Airlines' smooth flights. It can be an additional boost for each flight, burning less fuel, carrying more passengers and cargo, and flying non-stop to distant destinations. It's like transforming each launch into a precisely calibrated jump, exactly suited for the world stage. But that's not it. The airport facility will also serve as a sustained ecosystem in its own right. Sustainability is another highlight of this huge project, with the airport incorporating the most advanced green technologies. The facility will be full of energy-efficient lighting systems that reduce electricity usage, comprehensive waste management solutions that include everything from recycling to disposal, and clever water-saving technologies that assure conservation without sacrificing functioning. Aside from its environmental focus, the airport is intended to be a destination in itself. It is nothing less than a traveler's paradise filled with magnificent hotels, bustling retail malls, and sleek business-class lounges, all precisely designed to deliver an unforgettable experience and easy stay. It's more than simply going from point A to point B. It's about reimagining what an airport can possibly be, transforming every stopover into a chance for luxury and ease to make it a global exchange. This airport's significance goes well beyond simply accommodating people and planes. It has the potential to transform the local economy. This massive undertaking is projected to create thousands of new employment for Ethiopian Airlines as it expands both its customer base and flights. With 4 times the capacity of the current Bole International Airport, this new facility will solve the site's major limits, which have long surpassed its growth potential. The benefits do not end here. Installing a high-speed rail link linking the airport to the city of Addis Ababa would significantly increase accessibility, providing seamless and efficient transit for both passengers and staff. What's more impressive is that the impact of this initiative goes well beyond Ethiopia's boundaries, reverberating throughout the continent. Ethiopian Airlines is not only developing in isolation, its expansion plan is well aligned with wider regional dynamics. According to the International Air Transport Association, IATA, East Africa's air travel is expected to expand by a whopping 200% over the next decade. The new airport at Abusera is a critical component in this growth. It is the cornerstone of a vast architectural concept that will help Ethiopian Airlines reach its full potential. This new facility will assist the airline in meeting the region's growing demand for air travel by reducing capacity constraints at the present Bole International Airport. Now, let's talk about the project's tremendous investment. With Phase 1 alone expected to cost an astonishing $6 billion USD. It's like constructing the groundwork for a big new metropolis, and many construction companies want to participate in this historic project. Once finished, the new airport will have 4 times the capacity of any Ethiopian Airlines existing in multiple terms. The project is about more than simply building an airport, since it is not really centered on increasing capacity, but the overall experience. Ethiopia is not the only country making headway in aviation. Several important infrastructure projects are now ongoing throughout Africa, indicating the continent's commitment to improving air transport capacity. For example, the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport in Abuja, Nigeria, is now undergoing a multi-million-dollar makeover, which includes a new terminal and refurbished runways. This expansion is similar to enlarging a busy hub to better accommodate the increasing flow of passengers. But, similar to Ethiopian Airlines, the only focus of the project is not a mere increment of space or capacity. Murtala Muhammad International Airport in Lagos, Nigeria, is also undergoing extensive renovations. This improvement will include a new terminal and expanded cargo facilities, with the goal of improving both the passenger experience and operating efficiency. It's as if they're adjusting a high-speed engine to guarantee it operates smoothly and can handle additional traffic. These upgrades are more than just adding extra space. They are about upgrading these airports into contemporary gateways that can accommodate the growing demands of people and cargo. South Africa's King Shaka International Airport is preparing for a massive makeover. The development will include a new terminal, improved runways, and more parking facilities, all to meet the growing number of travelers. It's like giving the airport a massive makeover to guarantee it can manage the increased traffic projected in the future years. Meanwhile, Nairobi's Jomo Kenyatta International Airport in Kenya is undergoing extensive renovations. This expansion consists of a new terminal, an enlarged runway, and a redesigned cargo facility. Consider it as rebuilding the airport's backbone in order to improve its position as a vital regional hub capable of handling more planes and cargo more efficiently. These enhancements are more than just increasing capacity. They are also preparing these airports to handle future demands and cement their status as critical nodes in the continent's aviation network. Together, these projects demonstrate Africa's commitment to improving regional connectivity and encouraging economic growth via investments in cutting-edge, efficient, and environmentally friendly aviation infrastructure. Among these, the new Addis Ababa International Airport stands out as a particularly ambitious and forward-thinking project. It has the potential to alter not only Ethiopian air travel, but also the entire continent's aviation sector. In the end, it is considered a new benchmark for how airports can accelerate growth and connect people. This megaproject in Addis Ababa is equivalent to installing a strong new engine in the core of Africa's aviation network, powering the continent toward a more linked and affluent future. This concludes our research on the new Addis Ababa International Airport. Will it transform Ethiopia's aviation industry and create a new standard for infrastructure throughout Africa? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. But don't go anywhere. We have even more fantastic stories for you. So, stay tuned, and we'll see you at the next one.